Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Instinct E, and I'm gonna show you how to use this watch. Let's start by how to navigate this system. This watch is basically navigated through the buttons, and we can do it in couple ways. Basically, we have couple options we can or actions we can perform with the buttons. With the control button, we can light up the screen. I don't know if you can see it, but there is a backlight and you can light it up. Or if you press and hold it, you can open the controls menu. And if you want to move through the menus on your watch, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the list of options. And in the controls menu, you have different shortcuts like battery saver, do not disturb mode, and stuff like that. To go back in the menus, you can press the back button, like that. If you want to open the main menu, settings and stuff like that, press and hold the up menu to open the main menu. And here we can again scroll through the menu by using the up and down buttons. I forgot to mention, but to confirm the selections, you can press the GPS button. So let's say I want to open the watch face menu. I can press GPS, and to go back, we can press the back button, like I said before. If you want to open the activity menu, so let's say you want to start a workout, you press the GPS button on the home screen. It will open the activities, and you can scroll through the list, look for the activity you like, press GPS to start it. What else? If you want to see the settings on your watch, you open the menu, then scroll down, and here we have settings. So you need to basically scroll down until you open the settings, and we have different settings on our watch. If you want to turn on the do not disturb mode, you can press and hold the control menu, find the do not disturb mode icon, then press GPS to turn it on or turn it off. Basically, you have toggle system, and we have the on and off status. To change the watch face on our watch, press and hold the up button. You will see the menu. On it, there should be watch face option. It should be selected by default. Press GPS. Scroll through the list of watch faces, find the watch face you like, press GPS, select apply, and the watch face will be changed. To turn off the watch, we can press and hold the control button to open the control menu, find the power off option, press GPS to confirm, and the watch will turn off. And to turn it on, you press and hold the control/light button to turn it on. Okay, and I believe I showed you the basics on how to use this watch. And thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.